Good morning, guys. This is G. Glad to have you guys once again. Just got a little bit of a change and some updates. So, talking to a bird buddy yesterday. He sent me some videos and stuff like that. He has gorgeous birds. Shout out to you. His parrot finches, oh, they're to die for. Beautiful birds. And we was talking, and this pair gives me yellow Lutinos. Has given me before, but when I took out the eggs, of course I didn't know what was in the egg, what color was it gonna be. I put it under the society. Everybody lived but that one. It was heartbreaking to see, but it was done. So I took the owl finches out of here and I placed a pair of parrot finches. They're ready to breed. The male is finishing up his molt, but that doesn't stop them. They already started to sing. Once the male starts to sing, it's action, it's go time. And I just put 5 owl finch eggs under cage 15. This is cage 15, and it came from cage 3G, 4 eggs, and 1 from A2. Start incubation date, August 28th. I like to do these little things just so it can inform me, you know, what cage they came from and whatnot. I write on the eggs, as you can see. Got 5 owl finch eggs in there. I have 5 owl finch eggs in here. I believe it's 6 in here, and I got babies over there. These are still laying. My frond female with normal male, and this is A2 cage, my normal pairs. And I still have 2 eggs to put under societies. I'm gonna let them go one more round, and they're gonna raise their babies. These societies, they took to the nest nicely. So they were all in there. Give it a couple more days and we'll put the eggs under them. But that's it, guys. Everybody else is looking great. The aviary's full of eggs. They're just gonna have to raise it on their own. And if not, then babies are gonna die, I guess, because I don't have, you know, cages to put out here for fostering as of right now. I'm maxed. I'm maxed out in this bird room. But I'm thinking about it next door, right here next. This is where it's gonna be the door. I think I'm gonna do it, you know. I think it needs to be done. So I got the other pair of parrot finch, but the male is still under a quite heavier molt, so I'm not gonna do anything with them. I still haven't put no one in the middle cage here. Still empty. Still don't know what to do, who to put in there. I don't like putting the shaft tails, you know, this cage is too small for them. Parrot finches, definitely not. Goulians, I can probably get away with it with the Goulians, but I just don't like to, you know. I just don't like to. Here's the owl finches. They're like, yes, I'm free. They were just taking a bath, just put brand new water, and look. Cleaned everything up today, blow torched the bottom. kill any lingering bugs. Ugh, disgusting, man. This is like kill my birds, but take eating my birds alive, these bugs. No way. So that's that. You know, the baby in here, she's taking very good care of it. I got 3 babies in here. Hopefully they get out soon. There they are. The mother and the father has the yellow band on. So, I don't know. But everybody's good. But talking to a buddy of mine there that has the parrot finches, shout out to you, man. It's like you motivated me to put this pair together. You really did. It's a beautiful pair of mine. The males are split and the females are yellow, red rump. Birds are gorgeous. Alright. Well, guys, till next time, thank you for everything. Shout out to you again, buddy. You got beautiful birds. Thank you for the videos. And we shall be talking soon. Alright, guys, thank you. Bye-bye.